What is up, beautiful people? Today we are out here at like pretty much, I don't know where we at. My boy Ron hit me up. We've been talking for like, I don't know, 6-7 months, and he was like, yeah man, let's get together, and we have yet to get together until today. So we are out of this beautiful location, and it's early in the morning. Fog's still on the water, so you guys already know what time it is. I appreciate everybody for rocking with Gone Fishing 804. Make sure you stop by gonefishing804.com, grab you some swag, and with that being said, let's get it. You heard me say it. I said it. Dude. So guys, look. Without, I don't know how I can explain this, but I'm getting my kayak in. Ron takes the whopper plopper out, right?
T1000, baby.
T1000, what other color would it be? So he pulls it out, right? And I hear the dang on plopper plopping. Blah, 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 and I said, uh-oh, about that time, kadoosh. So he's on the board. We are starting off. I literally just put this thing in the water. Ron's got the first fish of the day. Nice little fish. He's fat.
Yeah.
He's fat. Oh yeah.
Healthy fish too. Healthy.
Heck yeah. So we are going to get started, guys. You guys just keep rocking with us. Hopefully them toads is on the way. Let's get it. So I get over there with the breaker. Nice. There we go. That's a decent fish. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. I knew there were fish back here. There was no way there could not be any fish. Nice. Ron's starting off good. It's got 2. I've got donuts. There we go. Finally on one, guys. He's a little dinker, but we on the board, baby. We on the board. First fish by way of the structure bug. There we go, guys. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Later, dude. Fish on. There we go. This is a nice fish. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes, sir. Come here, dude. Come here. Yes, sir. Oh, you just gonna jump up in here, huh? All right, chill out. Chill out, chill out. Golly. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Decent 2-pounder, guys. Well, maybe, yeah, about 2 pounds. Ron. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. All right, dude. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so looks like we done finally put something together here, a little something. I'm over here on the side of the bank, as you can see. There's structure and everything all over here, and I just threw right in that little hole right there, and he picked it up as soon as it went in. So what I'm using is the Strike King structure bug, June bug color. I'll leave the link down in the description, but I'm not gonna say we done figured out a pattern here, but that's 2 fish, so we're gonna keep rocking with the structure bug. What I'm doing is I'm just tossing it in there and just popping it a couple times and letting it fall. But those 2 fish, as soon as it went in, they were on it. So I think they are back in that stuff. So we're gonna keep going, guys. Just stay tuned, keep rocking with me. Let's do it. Got you. Got you, buddy. Come here. Come here. Get in here. Yes, sir. There we go, guys. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, man. If it wasn't for Ron, we wouldn't even be out here, y'all, for real. So, another nice, almost 2-pounder right there. Came off the structure bug. All right, get on out of here. Yes, sir. And it looks like they, like I said, guys, these fish are hugging the bank. They are back in there. So far, it's been a fun day. You guys make sure you go follow me on all my social media accounts too. That would be dope of you. At Gone Fishing 804 on everything, social media wise.
Biggest one of the day.
Oh yeah.
For me it is. Whoa, my goodness. You're not getting off, are you? Ooh, almost.
Oh man, dang it. I missed one. He came from up under that tree and grabbed it. When I set the hook, he was gone. I didn't give him all away, but he hit it hard. I don't think he felt the hook. He might come back and get it. Got him that time. Oh my goodness. Come here, little dude. You little feisty dude. You little feisty dude, huh? Yes, sir. There we go. Yeah, he's decent.
Looks like he got a belly.
Oh yeah, he's kind of fat too.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. The structure bug is still doing this thing. Little decent fish. I think he came back and got it, unless there was another one up under there hanging out. Need the pliers for him. There we go. There we go. It's midday right now. All right, dude. There we go, guys. Another one sitting right at the base of a tree. Oh, come here. There we go. Hey, dude, just chill. Just chill out. Just relax. Don't fight it. Just breathe. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. There we go, another decent little fish, man. We are putting up the numbers, racking them up. There we go, there we go. Now we just need Gertrude to come on along. If Gertrude comes along, that'd be outstanding. There we go, fish on, guys. This is a nice fish. Sitting in the structure, man. Sitting in the structure, guys. Where you at, big guy? Where you at, big guy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, don't jump, don't jump. Stay down. Run! Woo! There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's when we come out here and do this, boy. Man, that's a short, fat toad right there. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Yes. Midday action. Black and blue structure bug. Beautiful fish. Just one more look at her. Beautiful fish. Just, I mean, beautiful, guys. Look at that. 4-pounder. At least a short, fat fish. Eating good in the neighborhood. You ready? Fish on, guys. There we go. They are eating this structure bug. They are crushing it. They are crushing it, dog. Crushing it. Crushing it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Man, another one. They're turning on up here on this structure bug. They gotta want to chew this thing on. Chatterbait. Y'all have got to want this. I know you do. Fish on the chatterbait, guys. I told you they wanted it. I told you you wanted the chatterbait. Oh yeah, this is a nice fish. Nice fish, maybe about 2 pounds. Yeah, 2 pounds. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Bro, you hurting yourself, not me, okay? Stop, just chill. Yes, sir. Nice little fat fish on that chatterbait, guys. I know, I promise you, I just said y'all want this chatterbait. I know you do. Maybe I talked them into it. Right in the side of the mouth, dude. Oh, let's go. Hit it with authority, too. This thing is lodged in his side of his mouth. There we go. Nice little, maybe almost 2 pound fish. Let's go, guys. We turning up today, man. We are turning up. Breaking the kayak in. Mondo. I'm coming around. We're gonna get the whole view of this fish. And he caught it as soon as always. The GoPro died. He catches a fish. That's usually how it goes.
Yeah, that's Murphy's Law speaking.
Oh yeah, that's a toad. That's a nice one. That's like 4.2.
It's like 4. It says 3.85 if it stops wiggling.
Mm-hmm.
3.85 pounds. So.
Nice. Oh yeah.
That's gorgeous.
Oh yeah. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish, dude.
That's about the size of the one you got back there, right?
He was a little bit. He was fatter than that.
Yeah.
And he was about the same length.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit shorter, but he was fat, like a football, dude. That was weird. He's still there. Is he? Yeah. It's a nice fish too. Stay down, stay. Yeah, he was just sitting like right there. It's a nice fish. Oh yeah. Nice. Come here, dude. Come here. That was weird as I don't know what. Look at that. Nice. Oh my gosh.
A nice jump.
Are you serious, dude? Like just sitting right there on the tree. As soon as the chatterbait went in, he had it. Yeah. And I'm like, hold on, that was really weird. That's what I'm talking about. That's a 3-pounder. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We turning up today, guys. Ain't no doubt about it. You ready? He was about to jump back in my face. I mean, you already saw it. Ron was killing it. I got on some good ones, but man, today was just like beyond epic, dog. Like, I don't know, we caught so many fish in between the both of us. It was ridiculous, man. The bite, we came out here expecting to throw top water. That was our mission, because we were out here at 6:30, ready to go, nice, calm, overcast conditions. We threw top water for every bit of 45 minutes, got one bite, just one. So we finally switched it up, got it together. We figured out what they were doing, and a lot of them were just early in the morning sitting up beside those cypress trees. So we were throwing structure bugs, we were throwing worms, you know, soft plastics up against those trees and up against structure, and those fish were there just hammering it. Then toward the middle of the day, we thought the bite was going to like slow down turn off. So we were like, yeah, it's almost that time. And as soon as we said that, that chatterbait kicked in and started knocking them down. So we had a really dope day. I'll leave all Ron's information down in the detail section. You guys make sure you give him a holler. Awesome guy, man. You know, make sure you stop by gonefishing804.com, grab you some merch, you know, and I mean, I don't know what else to tell you besides keep them lines wet, because it's all about the hook set. Let's get it.